On the Scene, in partnership with a nonprofit organization, Springfield area music industry want to let you know what's up on the scene around the local Springfield area. Make sure to check out our social media platforms for all our adventures of this past weekend and week. And don't forget to head over to our YouTube channel to catch some insight on the music scene when Dominique Gabriella interviews Young Zealots. While you're there, don't forget to click the subscribe button so you don't miss out on all the great advice and stories from so many fantastic musicians who are a part of the Springfield area music scene. Now, we at On the Scene know you are very busy. The following list is just a small portion of all the fantastic, fun-filled events going on each day around the Springfield metro area. So make sure to check out our Facebook page for our full list of events. Let's get to it. Friday the 15th, starting at 6 p.m., Jeremy Evans at Dublin's Pass. And then on Saturday the 16th, starting at 8:30 p.m., we're going to be at the Odyssey Lounge for a downtown groove fest, mild, medium, or spicy, featuring my band, The Sauce, and opening for us, Brian Copeland. So join us and be a part of the show. Sunday the 17th, starting at 5 p.m., Dallas and Molly at Springfield Brewing Company. Monday the 18th, starting at 7 p.m., Open Mic Night and Karaoke Monday, hosted by Bliss at Martha's Vineyard. Tuesday, the 19th, starting at 6:30 p.m., Bingo at 4x4 Brewing Company. Wednesday, the 20th, starting at 8 p.m., Open Mic Night at Shuffle. And then on Thursday, 10 p.m., Thirsty Thursday with DJ CEO at Inner Circle. If you would like us to highlight your event or venue on our weekly list, or want more information on how to become a sponsor, contact us at onthescene417@gmail.com. And until next week, stay safe and make sure to catch us out on the scene.